This is the final video to fix d3d11.dll game and program crashes on Windows 11. Are you tired of your games or apps suddenly closing with that error? This usually happens because your system's DirectX files or graphics drivers are outdated or corrupted. Many tutorials online are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't work. But today, I'll show you a simple trick that can fix it in just a few clicks. You don't need to download a bunch of files or follow complicated guides. I've tested this method, and it works smoothly on Windows 11. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below and I'll make it just for you. Make sure to follow Rex's for more easy fixes that actually work.